Hey, so we're driving Mazda MX-5 with a 2.5 liter supercharged engine running a DCT dual clutch transmission controlled by the GCU. The car has around 300 horsepower. Very nice light car for the daily or track use. 7-speed DCT from E92 335i, so the short ratio transmission. The F-Series selector, paddles behind the steering wheel, ECU master gear indicator, and yeah, so the car is running the stock ECU with the EQ Tech flash inside. The whole communication is covered via CAN bus, so there are no analog connections. In this case, because this is a supercharged engine, we have a TPS based calculation for the torque, as the supercharger is very proportional to the throttle position. Unfortunately, we have no blips and no cuts, but because it's a low power, we don't actually need those. Very fun to drive car. We can always switch back to the drive mode and drive normally. Based on load, GCU will shift the gears on its own. I'm not using the paddles at all. Now decelerating. Very nice city driving setup. I'm not using paddles right now. GCU shifting on its own. Accelerating. Very nice. You can always switch back to the manual. Use paddles. Seamless upshifts and downshifts. Really fun to drive car. Very easy to tune. The car is running 1013 firmware version, fixed first version. No problem with taking up on a second gear. If we accelerate harder, the shifts will be way quicker. Gentle driving, nice smooth shifts. shift down to the automatic mode and accelerate harder as well. Yeah, very fun to drive car. For the weekends, racing, very lightweight setup. Fun. So let me drive for another couple of minutes so you see the raw footage, how it works, how it behaves, no cuts, no edits, just a raw video. And also manual shifting with the selector. Downshift. Stay tuned for more HTG GCU videos.